my red rain hat. Splish and splash, the puddles play. Jumping feet go hooray, hooray. Clouds so fluffy, big and round, drop their sprinkles to the ground. Silver showers, soft and sweet, tap tap music on the street. Tiny flowers lift their heads, drinking water in their beds. Rain helps gardens grow so tall, colors blooming for us all. Raindrops race across the glass, sliding quickly as they pass. Chasing drops is so much fun, counting them one by one. When the clouds begin to part, sunshine smiles and warms my heart. Golden beams come out to stay, chasing rainy clouds away. Rainbow arches in the sky, painting colors way up high. Rain and sun together show magic light for all to know.